Hello my friend, this is Jenny at Moreday company in China. Today I review to you our star product in the solar energy industry. This is our company's new design, waterproof IP65 6 strings 1000 volts combiner box. First, look at the appearance. The size and the logo can be customized. And open the box door. We can see this compact design very space-saving, and the core components such as DC fuse, DC MCB, and DC SPD are all independently developed and produced by our factory, so the quality is more guaranteed. Each channel is with a fuse. Output side is equipped with surge protective device and circuit breaker. Realize lightning protection, short circuit protection, and grounding protection. Our combiner box conforms with CE, CB, TUV standard. To be partnered with Moreday, you will be surprised by our quality and work efficiency.